Okay, two ways to post order payments. The first thing we want to make sure that is clear is order payments in Studio Designer are payments for items or things that are on a project. Okay, so there's two ways you can process payment. One would be to just go into the order itself. Okay, this is the order. You can see that it's asking for a 50% deposit. Yes, it's only $5 for training purposes, but we can go over here where it says payment. And if I wanted to post, it's defaulting to what is the default for that vendor. But let's just say I wanted to pay the whole thing. I can do that. Here, you're going to select the paying account if I wanted to post it to the credit card, and in this case, I do. I'm going to select the Amex. I'm going to select the paying date. Let's just say it's the 15th. Okay. In through here, I am going to type in Amex. Okay. That is a preference. You can use whatever naming convention you want to use, but there is a specific reason why I use mine, and those are shared in other videos. So let's go ahead and select post payment. You can now see, let's go back out. You can now see that this particular item and PO has been paid. Now see how it's saying the overpayment of $250? It's not really overpaid. It's overpaid for the deposit, okay? So if I were to change that, and I'm jumping ahead here, I'm going to just go ahead and correct that and just act like it was 50%. See how it's now not showing up as overpaid, but it is asking for a client payment. Okay, that is one way to post a vendor payment to an order. The other way would be into accounting money out. And let's say I was going to pay it out of the Chase checking in this case. There's two ways I can do it. If we paid it with the debit card, we can go in through order payments. And I don't remember the client. Oh, yeah. So this was the one that we were talking about earlier. So let's just say I wanted to pay $5, and we can put in the vendor invoice totals. Now I have an option to print or post. So in this case, I'm just going to put manual. Okay, and I'm going to create entries. Okay, and then when we go out here, you can see that it's here. That was the posting. So see how there's an extra step, but it's still getting ready. So this is either, I could have done this if it was the credit card or any other account, but this is what I would do to prep to either print or the other way to post. Okay, if I was going to print a check, I would do that here. If I wanted to post this payment to the PO, to me it's easier to do it the other way, but it's the same. It goes to the same place. Okay. If there are questions, let me know in the comments. Please give us a thumbs up and like, post, and subscribe. But this is two ways to post vendor payments on an order. Okay. Thank you.